Do you know some plants don't just look beautiful, they can actually bring good luck, wealth, and happiness to your home? Today, I'll share 12 of the luckiest plants you must have in your house. And trust me, number 7 is a game changer. 1. Money plant, or pothos. This beauty is famous for attracting wealth and prosperity. Place it near a sunny window or in the southeast corner of your home for maximum luck. 2. Jade plant. Known as the friendship tree, the jade plant symbolizes growth, good fortune, and financial success. Perfect for office desks or your entrance. 3. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo isn't just low maintenance, it's a powerhouse for good luck. In Feng Shui, 3 stalks mean happiness, 5 bring health, and 8 bring wealth. 4. Peace lily. Peace lily not only brings harmony and tranquility to your home, but also purifies the air. Keep it in your bedroom or living room for a peaceful vibe. 5. Snake plant. This hardy plant protects against negative energy and brings positive vibes. Plus, it's one of the best plants for cleaning indoor air. 6. Orchid. Orchids are a symbol of love, beauty, and fertility. They also boost positive energy in relationships. 7. Basil, or tulsi. In many cultures, basil is considered sacred and brings spiritual blessings. Keep it near sunlight and avoid placing it in dark corners. 8. Aloe vera. Aloe vera protects against bad luck and invites positivity. Plus, it's amazing for skin and health. 9. Rubber plant. This plant symbolizes wealth and abundance. Its round leaves are believed to attract money and prosperity. 10. Chrysanthemum. These flowers bring happiness, peace, and long life. Yellow chrysanthemums are especially lucky. 11. Rosemary. Rosemary not only protects your home from negative energy, but also improves focus and memory. 12. Citrus trees. Citrus plants bring abundance, positivity, and joy. Place them where they can get plenty of sunlight. Adding these plants to your home doesn't just make it beautiful, it can fill your space with positive energy, health, and wealth. Which plant will you get first? Comment below.